Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I'm back out here on the ball field. Man, I can't think of another place I'd rather be. Just to be completely honest with you, I absolutely love this part of my job. If you remember from the previous video, we came out here and we kind of prepped all the edges by redefining the edges or re-grooving the edges or creating the edges, whatever you want to call it. We tightened up the edges, sharpened up the edges, and then went back and removed any debris that was on the inside of that so that when we put down this fresh clay, we can butt the clay right up to the turf. And the whole issue was, over the years, this entire infield had, it just deteriorated or washed away or whatever, but it was low. The entire infield area was low. So we got two big old dump truck loads of this clay sand mix, and now it's time to spread it out. And I'm gonna use the Ventrac with the bucket, and I'm gonna bucket it around in different locations and kind of spread it out, somewhat that way. And then I also want to take a chance to use my Ventrac ball field groomer. It's a front and back attachment that'll kind of one pass, do the whole thing, grade it, level it, smooth it, pack it, finish it out, the whole 9 yards. And I've yet to have the opportunity to use that, so that's why I have that machine out here. I do have my ABI Force out here as well, just in case I need it. To go in and answer that question, because I know somebody's going to ask which one's better. Well, you do your own homework, your own research on the both of the machines, and it depends on what you're looking for with your business. I can't tell you what's best because I don't know what's best for your business or your company. So whatever your repertoire of services that you offer, you would have to make the decision on which one would fit your business better. I can't help you there. This area right here in shortstop, remember it was almost underwater last time, and the water's just holding there, it's not draining, so that's kind of part of this, is to build all this up so the water will drain. But I've got some goose grass that's still over there. I need to remove that first. Once I get that removed, then I can get with it, start moving dirt, start slicking it down, and it'll be a done deal. I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like, so let's get with it. So once I got all the grading done with the ABI Force, I finally got the opportunity to jump on the Ventrac and try out the ballpark groomer attachment, and worked pretty good. You can see this portion on the back actually has a roller, which is rolling and tamping and packing down the material, and then it has a small brush. You can just barely see it sticking out the side there, and that's kind of putting a real fine grade to it and leaving the ball field without tire tracks and all that kind of thing, just giving it a super smooth surface for the kids to play on. Now, I did contact the coach of this field and said, hey, we'll just have to wait and be patient and let it rain and see if we have any standing water anywhere, any low spots or high spots or whatever. And obviously, if we do, I'm going to go back out there and fix those at no charge to the customer. Obviously, if we need to bring in more material, that's different. You have to charge for that kind of thing. But the work that's done here, I expect it to be good and complete, with what I had to work with. So time will tell if we've got any standing water. Edges are nice and crisp and clean now. The dirt is evened up with the edges as well. There's no real hardcore lip or drop off or anything like that. I actually went ahead and did home plate while I was there and got that area fixed up for them as well. Man, look at that 419 right there. It is on fire. It is absolutely glowing like a new penny right now. So I have 2 more athletic field jobs coming up. I will probably take the camera with me so we can film those and show you that work. Both are girls softball fields. One, the field has been lit up with army worms, and I need to go out there and repair it and get it back going and fill back in before the frost hits and the end of the season gets here. And the other one, we're going to sand level the outfield, the entire outfield area. It's about 32,000 square feet. We're going to do 4 dump truck loads right now, and then probably another 4 to 6 dump truck loads in the late spring once the Bermuda wakes up next year. The field's in pretty rough condition. When I'm spreading and spraying out there, it will absolutely beat you to death. So not safe for the girls to be playing ball on that. So we're going to help them out and sand level that so we can get it in good playing condition. So just be looking for those 2 videos here pretty soon. And I'm tickled silly with the way this ball field turned out. It looks really, really nice, really clean, and very, very thankful and very fortunate that I get to do this for my living. I get to go and work on ball fields to make money, to feed my family and pay my bills. That's I don't take that for granted. I'm just very fortunate, very blessed to be able to do that. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to show you the next ball field. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch, and I will check you later.